Hi guys, today I have the opportunity to show you around this absolutely stunning 3-bedroom terrace property situated on Duffield Road, Irlam the Height. You'll see as we go throughout the property is in amazing condition. I'll just point to the front here, which has been recently landscaped, along with a new fence as well that you've seen coming in. Okay, let's go in and take a look. So you'll see this house has a lot of original features, starting with this absolutely amazing front door. And as we enter this hallway, you'll see it's like something off a movie. It's absolutely amazing in here. Very grand, very large, loads of natural light coming in. So first to the right is this lovely, stunning lounge, which is bay fronted. We've got the original windows in here. And as you can see, original fireplace, coving, flooring, the lot, you name it. It's absolutely amazing. And then we head over into the kitchen and dining area. So you'll see it's fully fitted, open plan with this lovely centre island. We've got integrated appliances in here and obviously a large freestanding cooker just there. Take you outside to this lovely sun trap that they have just here. So the property has had some cosmetic work done out here in the last couple of months or so, and I will just show you the house from the back because it is a large size and very deceiving, as you can see there. So I'll just head back in and you can take a shot at the kitchen from this way. Lovely, a lot of worktop space. We've got the gorgeous brass tap there and the sink in the island. Over here we have this large dining room, and honestly you really have to come in through the property to really get a feel for the size and the space that is in here. It's really, quite frankly, amazing. We have a cellar as well, which is one chamber just down the stairs there. That the measurements and stuff will be on the floor plan, so you can check that out. Just coming back through this lovely hallway, as you can see here. Again, original features throughout. And then we'll head up. So there isn't many of these houses available, not many of them in Salford, to be honest, and some people have created 4 bedrooms out of these 3 large bedrooms. I'll just talk you through it as I go around. So to the left here we've got bedroom 1, so built-in wardrobes, window overlooking the rear of the property. I have pulled the blind down, but you do get a lot of natural light in here as well. Bedroom 2 here, again of a fantastic size, and this is where people make the 4th bed, so they sometimes split this room and put a bathroom in here and make the bathroom into a 4th bedroom. We have the master bedroom here, again built-in storage, really lovely, overlooking the front, which is opposite the bowling green. And then we have the family bathroom here. The property is available for viewings right away. If you would like to know any more information, please give us a call on 0161 707 4900. And I'm just going to walk you down this lovely staircase to finish the video tour. Yes, any questions, please give us a call. Thank you so much for watching.